The IMAX camera. Some of them are here now, 2 more are coming. So there are 2 film cameras literally in transit to us now.
Doing an IMAX documentary and you want to get your money back, you have to make sure it plays in the domes as well. Three, two, one, up. I realized.
Go, go, go!
We're going to start with a little short end. You just do that, and then close the door. The way that you do it is you put this on, and you just push it into the slot, and then push it down. 6 or 7 rolls onto this side, and you close this side. You tape up both top and bottom, including tape across the clips.
This is what's called a spinning mirror reflex camera, which means there's a mirror inside the camera, which is right here, and it's sitting at a 45-degree angle. So while the camera is rolling, this is spinning, and half the mirror is actually a shutter, so it's open. So when the shutter is closed, the mirror is in position, and the light coming through the lens bounces off the mirror and onto the ground glass, which is right here. And that ground glass is the image that the operator is seeing through the eyepiece. Just before the claw comes out here, the registration pins move in and hold the film in place while the claw moves back here. And as soon as the claw moves forward into the film, the registration pins retract so that it can advance the film when the shutter's closed. So, getting our film in the path. The camera is set to the beginning of the stroke. So in other words, the claw is about to take the film and advance it to the next frame. This is as big as the loop is going to be, so that when the film advances to the end of the stroke, it has moved all the film as far as it's going to for the next frame, And on this end, this is as big as the loop is going to be on that end without touching the wall. So the film is always stationary during exposure. This is why there's all, did you see inside all the belts and everything that are in? There's, down in here, the mechanics have belts.
Gotcha.
And so that locks all of these different systems together so that the mirror can only be open when, during exposure.
Yeah, that timing belt, if there's a problem with the camera or a jam or something, the belt skips a couple teeth. But it's designed that way to be a sort of a fail safe, so you don't break any metal pieces or anything. It just skips on the belt.